my dear class 4 students. Today we will take up lesson 7, adaptations in plants, page 48. Today we will learn different plants. Animals live in different environments, different types of plants, and how plants are adapted to the environment in which they live. Adaptations. Plants and animals are living things. They need food, water, air, shelter, and the right climate to survive. Plants also need the right type of soil to grow in. Plants or animals ho hi achom che na hing thai they live in cold places as well as hot and dry places. Ama ho hi rivers, lakes, salty water a hing thai plants, animals ho hi mun chom che a hing thai now hi tho zo na nei thai a hi. For example, nga ho hi tui la hing thai tui pa ma hing thai lo hi. Cacti hi dry desert la hing thai azi chu astema khu tui hol ji hi in. Plants and animals ho hi achom che a cheng ho alim zong achom che in hi chi ja hi plants animals ho hi chi chom tam ta hi. For example, water lily ho hi tui la ahin ana ho khu apa in chule alinin tui chunga bo hing thei hi. Water lily hi cactus leaf to aki he in cactus leaf ho khu needle him ho tabang hi. Nga zong tui la hingin lei chunga animal ho tabang hi lo hi la hi. Now, terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Lei chunga plant ahing ho hi terrestrial plants akitiin. They depend on the conditions in which they grow. There are different types of terrestrial plants. Plants in deserts. Most of the soil in deserts is dry. Desert la lei hi ago in go zong zu be lo hi in tui a hlomin. Plants hi desert la hing thau kinin ahi. Desert na plant ho hi ipitui hile azop lut thayun plana cactus azung hin lei noi chetna a holu nin tui azop min keeper kiti bus azung hi lei noi 20 meters pangahin a holu nun tui hol zivin hi cactus hin astema tui holin gozu loting le astema tui ki hol chu aman zi hi. Now plants in the hills. It is very cold in winter in hilly places like Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh. Some areas also experience snowfall. Plants in the hills, it is very cold. Amun hi adap madap hi in. Thing hang la Uttaranchal, Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh la hi adap madap hi in. Amun bang hi bu bang alhazi in. Hi chilaya thing phung ho hi adap le bu bang ho hi ahin thei nga jin hi. Thing phung ho chu asang thei jin azang thei jin hi. Instead of flowers, they have cones and are therefore called conifers. Con atiting lahin alulam zuma atolang hung pa lahin veleo chilaya hin akemu in thingphung he. Conifers atile thingphung zat khat hi in chilaya lim picture hung ki pe hu. Chuting le cons sun seeds anayin. Conifers have needle-like leaves that are touched and can survive cold. The sloping shape of the trees makes the snow fall off easily. Pine, spruce, cedar, fir ho hi conifers ahivin amo ho hi ado hi khatwei pula pullo hi ze ahin kumthung ke ya hi greena ki muzi hi chi ja evergreen trees akitin hi. Oak, maple, birch, and beech trees shed all their leaf in winter to protect themselves from the cold. Oak, maple, kiti ho beech trees ho hi dap atho zo vin atho zo na dingu wa hi ado hi pulzia anado thahung ke azi hi in spring lai le hi che chu deciduous trees akitin hi. Spring lighting le ado ho hi hung tha ke azi wa hi che chu deciduous tree kiti hi. Now plants in the plains. Trees growing in the plains have lots of spreading branches. Trees like banyan, peepal, and mango grow in the winter climate of the plains. Plain la thingphung ke ho hi aba azam atamin thingphung banyan, peepal, mango ho hi mun chamlai alum namuna hi ake nomin ahi. Plants atamzo hi asal le akot namuna ake nomin ahi. Teak, tamarind, rubber, coconut paper, tea, coffee, and sugarcane grow well in this type of climate. Teak ho, rubber, coconut paper, tea, coffee, sugarcane kiti ho hi hiti climate go ha zun na chun apathezin. Some trees are evergreen and some are deciduous. Deciduous trees ho in dry season summer laile ado hi apulin tui ho apunga ko na ala asam aman low na ding ahi. Now plants in marshy places. In places that have clayish soil and plenty of water, the water cannot drain. The water collects in the soil and covers it. Mangrove trees grow in such marshy or swampy places. The roots do not get air as water covers the soil. Mangrove trees or marshy low swampy places hin nomin roots hin amu penin azi chutui leichunga then therefore they have roots that grow above the soil. These roots are called breathing roots. Now aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. There are three types of aquatic plants: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. Floating plants. Some plants like duckweed, water lettuce, and water hyacinth nom ta atui chunga hingo hin amo floating plants akitin ata sa hu spawns tabang hin aka hu hui china di space space hin hija hu zanga fixed plants. Plants like water lily, lotus have roots that fix the plants to the bottom of ponds and lakes. Plants water lily, lotus a root tuino ichana azung a hole would hin chuting le chizi amo fixed plants kitin hin adolin ta nein tui chunga kilap the hin water lily lotus hin stem ahun alai ho min chizi ho zangu chule he konle the zong Now underwater plants. Plants such as hydrilla and tape grass live completely underwater. They are called submerged or underwater plants. Plants hydrilla, tape grass, tuinu ya hingahivin, chizi are submerged or underwater plants akitin Insectivorous plants. Some plants grow in soil that is poor in minerals. To get the minerals, they trap and eat insects. Such plants are called insectivorous plants. The Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are examples of insectivorous plants. Plants abang leichunga hingin minerals awa zongomin minerals anay na dinguwa insects ho amatuwa ani ngayin hiti plants ho chu insectivorous plants Venus flytrap pitcher plant ho insectivorous plants adinga example Fungi get food from the plant animal matter on which they grow. Now for exercises, turn to page 55. Exercises 1. Which of these is a feature of conifers? 1. A. They do not produce flowers. Number 2. Which of these is not an evergreen tree? D. Maple. 3. Which of these plants floats freely on water? Water lily. 4. Which of these plants traps insects? Pitcher plant. Number 5. Fungi grown on stall food. Now question and answer. Roman number B. Give one word for the following. Living on land, terrestrial. TERRESTRIAL, terrestrial. Number 2. Not losing all these leaf in winter. Evergreen. EVERGREEN, evergreen. 3. Losing all their leaf in a season. Deciduous. DECIDUOUS, deciduous. 4. Living in water. Aquatic. AQUATIC, aquatic. Number 5. Eating insects. Insectivorous. INSECTIVOROUS, insectivorous. Now for your questions, write down what is terrestrial plants. What is terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Now question number 2. What are aquatic plants? What are aquatic plants? Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Number 3. How many types of aquatic plants are there? How many types of aquatic plants are there? Answer. There are 3 types of aquatic plants: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. There are 3 types of aquatic plants: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. My dear students, copy down your notebook and learn and prepare for your promotional exam.